details coming in on the broadcast. Another Maoist killed. It's a huge success for our security forces and a huge success for the Naxal Mukt pledge that has been taken by the government of India as well. We're talking about the operation that was conducted in Odisha, where a Maoist commander was eliminated and 6 other Maoists were killed during this operation. Home Minister Amit Shah has hailed this success. He, of course, has credited the forces. And the Home Minister has also said Odisha set to be Naxal Mukt. Let's go across to Priyank, who's getting us more details. 31st March 2026, that's the deadline for Naxal Mukt Bharat. And the multiple operations that are being conducted, the success in these operations are only proof of the progress that our forces are making in that direction.
Yes, certainly, Swati, less than 100 days left before the government has already announced that the area which has been said as a red corridor for the Naxals will be totally free from the Naxals, and that mission has been called Naxal Mukt Bharat. Following to that, we have seen that Hidma and other top Naxal commanders have been eliminated in the past as well. In the recent success for the security forces at Odisha, what we have got to know that Ganesh Ulke, who was a 63-year-old area commander of the Naxal, who was a central committee member, has been eliminated along with the 5 other Naxals, and heavy ammunition has been recovered by the security forces. So the Home Minister has once again praised the forces for the bravery which they have shown by entering into this densely forest area and eliminating these Naxals. Ganesh Ulke has been eliminated in Odisha, who was an active member of the Naxal committee, and he was from Telangana, and he has been very much operational in the bordering area of Odisha, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh.
All right, Priyank, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now. We have more breaking